Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Tara Nicolas and this is Trainer of the Month Club with Well+Good. So for today, we're gonna do a 12-minute core workout. Let's get started. All right, your first skill is gonna be a toe touch squat. Have a nice wide stance here, arms overhead, roll it down. You'll grab your toes, you'll drop your pelvis, take a moment at the bottom, open your chest. I'm gonna give you a little free rein here. And then you can stand up. I know all that drama. I just want you to have a little moment, right? Start over. Here we go. Roll it down. Grab your toes. Drop your pelvis. Open your chest. You have a little free flow here. Find some joy. Open that pelvis. Open that chest. Stand up. You have time for one more. Good. Roll it down. Good. 3, 2, 1. All right, you rest, eyes on me. Next one, we are going to do a squat, knee to elbow. Squat, knee to elbow, just like that. Join me. 3, 2, 1. Good. Love a standing core exercise. So good. Here we go. Breathe. 10 seconds. This is our warm up. Don't be scared. Nothing scary is happening here. Reality's starting to set in. This crazy lady said 12-minute core finisher. 3, 2, 1. All right, shake that out. Last drill. Come to the back of your mat. You're going to walk it out. You're gonna roll over your feet for a plank rotation. Roll over to your feet for a plank rotation. Walk it back. Okay, your turn. Join me. Roll it down. Roll over to your feet. I meant roll over your feet. And roll it over. Nice. Walk it back. Repeat. Good. Plenty of time here. Roll over your feet. Open up. Good. A little stretch, a little core, a little yummy. Walk it back. Keep it going. And time, out of time. Okay, we're gonna do all that one more time. Now you know what it is. Just have fun with it. Toe touch squat. Here we go. Roll it down. Drop your pelvis and stand. Maybe you don't spend as much time on the floor this time. Good, luxuriate that roll down. Bend the knees, feel the groin open up a little bit, chest open up a little bit, stand it up. You have time for one more. We're picking up the pace a little bit. And time, let that go. Squat, knee to chest, squat, ha, squat. Have fun with it. Maybe make some strange sounds. Hi-ya, ha, huh. I'm losing my mind. Good, 10 seconds. Inhale, exhale. Enjoy the sounds of Brooklyn. 3, 2, 1. Good, let that go. Come to the back of your mat. Walk it out. Walk it out. Plank rotation. Yes. Rotation. Walk it back. Good. So notice that walkout. It's waking up your core, waking up your arms, your back. You're hitting a side plank position here for those plank rotations. So even though we get to have a little moment of flow, make sure you really hit those positions. Yes. Good. Breathe. Throwing in some compound movements at the top of the workout for us. 3, 2, 1. All right, come into a fake jump rope recovery. You stay here while I come down and tell you what's happening. So we made it to our circuit. It's an AMRAP, as many rounds as possible. You have 3 skills. You're gonna have 4 reps. You're gonna repeat, repeat, repeat. This is what that means. You're gonna start with forearm plank extensions. Level 1, knees stay down. Out, out, in, that's 1. We're gonna do 4. This will be the more advanced version with your legs extended. From here, we are going to, I forget. Oh yes, come into a side bend. You're gonna turn to your side. This is your setup. You come down, up, down, up for 3 and 4. Then you'll flip over, go to the other side, pretend that happened. Last but not least, we're gonna come into a quadruped shoulder tap. The one you know and love, knees hover over the floor, tap, tap, that's 1, tap, tap, that's 2. Regression here, if you need it, you can just focus on little hand raises here. If it's too much, go all the way to your shoulder. All right, we're gonna do it all together, forearm plank extensions. I'll show all the regressions on this first round. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, 4 reps of everything. Let's do it. Out, out, in, out, out, in, that's 2. Out, out, in, that's 3. Out, out, in, that's 4. Turn to your side, face me so we can admire each other. Here we go. Down and up. 2. If this is too much, you can just reduce that range of motion. So maybe it's just smaller, right? Just honor where your body is in this moment. You did 4, turn to the other side. 4, 3, 2, 1. Face your mat. We're in that quadruped position. Here we go. Little hand raise. I'm gonna face the camera so you can see more clearly. Little hand raise, that's 1. Right, left, that's 2. Right, left, that's 3. Right, left, that's 4. Great, that was round 1. We're right back to the top. Come back to that forearm plank. Here we go. This time we'll start everything on the left. Out, out, in, out, out, in, that's 2. That's 3. Squeeze your booty. Check if your booty's in the air. That's not helpful. Bring it back down. Good. Turn to the side. Here we go. Up, that's 4. 3, 2, 1. Other side. Down and up, down and up. 3, 4, quadruped position. See if you can balance an imaginary coffee cup on your back. Knees barely hovering over the floor. Don't turn it into a down dog. Go for it. Right, left is 1. Right, left is 2. If you're doing great and you want to go faster than me, you can. 3, 4. Okay, coming into our third round. Let's try to extend those legs this time, okay? Starting everything on the right. You got it. Out, out. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. Turn to your side. Ooh, these transitions, Tara. That wasn't as cute as I can be. 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. 4, 3, 2, 1. Quadruped. We're almost there. Come on. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, and you're standing up. Come into a fake jump rope recovery. Really great work. I'm gonna stop so I can show you what's happening now. So now this is the finisher for the finisher. So you're only gonna have 2 skills. It's gonna start with a dead bug hold. Okay, and it's cross lateral. So my right hand goes to my left knee, and then I extend my right leg and my left arm. Go ahead and join me. We're gonna be here for 20 seconds, just hold. Feeling the opposition of the hand pressing into the thigh, thigh pressing into the hand, lower back glued to the floor, and of course you breathe. Okay, done, other side. Right away, don't even think about it. Don't look for a break, don't press pause, stay with me. We're in it together, come on. Good, shoulders down. Keep that tension. It's that opposition of the hand pressing into the thigh, thigh pressing into the hand. Right now I have my left leg long, my right arm long, plugging in towards my torso. And time. Bring your knees in, rock yourself up. And now we have the second drill. So it's quick feet. I know, it's called sneaky core. Quick feet, this is all you're gonna do. Everything's gonna jiggle, wiggle, wobble, and it's gonna be great. Okay, join me. Hands, arms crossed in front of you. 3, 2, 1, let's do it. 30 seconds. Enjoy the jiggle. Good. If it's too much for you to move your feet this fast, you can move them slower. But if you're doing well, go for it. If it's going really well, get lower. Yes, 10 seconds. Feel that core working. Your back is straight, your core is engaged. 3, 2, time. Take a break, breathe, and come back to the floor. We're doing all that again. Not the AMRAP, just this, don't worry. Okay, here we go. Hand, right hand, left thigh, Right leg is extended, left arm extended, head can stay down or can curl up if you're ready for more. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Press, press, press. Shake, shake, shake. It's so good. The leg that's extended on my body, it's my right leg. Keep it hugging towards the midline of your body. Sometimes it can kind of drift out. Keep it in, keep it parallel. Pull the belly button in towards the floor. 3, 2, 1. Transition to the other side. Come on, we got this. Left hand, right thigh, arms, right arm extended, left leg extended. We're back. Press, 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 press. Again, big inhale. Exhale, press in more, 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 more. Enjoy the opposition. You're creating that tension, that opposition for yourself. Get everything you can out of it. Don't cheat yourself. Time, knees in, rock yourself up. Quick feet, last time. Let's get into it. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, let's go, 30 seconds. Woo! I can't remember the last time I had pigtails in my hair, but I was talking to the hair and makeup and I was like, I wanna do something different. So here I am. So let's go, I'm having fun. My quick feet, my braids are shaking, my body's shaking, everything's jiggling. Let's have fun. 10 seconds. Woo, woo, woo. A little more, a little faster, a little lower, it burns. Everything's burning. 3, 2, time. Okay, come to the back of your mat. Walk it out. Don't be scared, it's over. Walk it out, knees down, take some cat-cows. Little cat-cows. Really great work. Please be proud of yourselves. You have time for one more. Great. Y'all, 12-minute core finisher like it was nothing. I know we're a little sweaty, everything's a little taut, and that's great. Thank you so, so much for spending this time with me, for sweating with me. Please subscribe if you haven't already to Well+Good's channel. There's so much cute stuff happening. Hello, time with me. Yes, 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 yes. So I love you. It's so great to hang out with you, and I'll see you soon. Tara Nicolas out.